Comparing string has three ways. First one, string and character equality. Second, prefix equality. And third, suffix equality. The first one, string and character equality. This is the comparison between two strings or two characters. For this, we use equal to operator or not equal to operator. Example, the equal to operator returns true if the given strings fulfill the conditions, otherwise false. Here, password and confirm passwords are matched, so condition is true with equal to operator. If condition is false, it executes false statement. So we use not equal to operator. Both the operators, equal to operator and not equal to operators, returns true if the given strings or character fulfill the conditions. Otherwise, both will return false. Second one, prefix equality. It is used to check the string start with given set of characters. We use highs prefix method. So this highs prefix methods takes single string parameter and returns boolean value. It checks whether the given strings start with given prefix or not. Prefix checking with beginning of the string, suffix checking with the ending of the string. The condition is true, always existed. Here condition is false, not existed. Third one, suffix equality. It is a similar story when it comes to high suffix method. This is used to check whether a string value end with given set of characters. Ending of the string, it is checking with the ending of the string. If condition is true, it executes the print statement. See the output. Next, insert. We can insert a character or string to a particular string. So this insert function is used for inserting a character at specified index in the string. Let's see the example. inserting a character. For this we need a index. As we know, string indexes starting with 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So starting to fifth position. Here character is K is inserted to position insert index, which is here fifth position in the string. Now let's print the output. Yeah, in fifth position, K is inserted. Now we can also insert a string instead of character. With it, we have a predefined method is there, that is insert content of string at index. Insert content of string, whatever the string, insert string to at index, previous index, insert index. And fifth position, high is added. So remove it. Removing character at specified index in a string. So remove it, insert index. This is a fifth position I am removing. H has removed. And we have a remove last. And first, remove first. The first element will remove. H is a first element, so it will remove from the string. So in the string, H is removed. Similarly, we have a remove last. Last element. It removes first two characters from given string. Remove last. So last three. So it removes last three characters from a given string. And we have a similar remove all. Also they remove all elements. So remove subrange. Range has three types: closed range, half open range, and one-sided range. We are removing some characters based on range operator. From starting to ending. So ending index I am taking from starting to fifth. we have a remove subrange method. Print the string. See the output. From starting to fifth position is removed.